In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Bluetooth in Windows 10. Let's start right from your desktop. Look down to the bottom left corner of your screen and click the Start button, which is the Windows logo. This opens the Start menu. From here, you'll see a small gear icon, usually on the left side of the menu. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the Settings window. Once the Settings window is open, you'll see several categories. Look for the one labeled Devices. It usually has an icon that looks like a keyboard and a speaker. Click on Devices. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage things like printers, mice, and Bluetooth. On the left-hand side of this Devices window, there's a menu. At the top of that menu, you should see Bluetooth and other devices. Click on that. Now you're in the main area where all your Bluetooth settings live. At the top of this page, you'll find a switch labeled Bluetooth. If Bluetooth is currently off, the switch will appear grayed out. To turn it on, simply click the switch. When it turns blue and says On, that means Bluetooth is now enabled on your Windows 10 device. Once Bluetooth is on, Windows will automatically start searching for nearby Bluetooth devices, like headphones, speakers, keyboards, or mice. If you're planning to connect something, make sure that device is turned on and set to pairing mode. Usually, that means holding down a specific button on the device until a light starts blinking. But check your device's manual if you're not sure. After a few moments, you should see your device appear in the list under Add a Device, or in the list of available devices. When it shows up, click the device name. Then choose Pair or Connect. Follow any on-screen instructions, such as confirming a code, and then wait for Windows to finish connecting. Once it says Connected, you're ready to use your Bluetooth device. If you don't see the Bluetooth option at all, it may mean your computer doesn't have Bluetooth hardware, or you might need to install the proper drivers. In that case, check your computer manufacturer's website for more information. And that's it. You've successfully turned on Bluetooth in Windows 10, and you're ready to connect your wireless devices.